In the context of complex regional security developments, Poland is expected to double its defense budget to comprehensively change the equipment in the armed forces. In an interview with Polish media, the country's Defense Minister Mariusz Blaszczak said that Warsaw is planning to buy a large number of main battle tanks and light fighters from South Korea to replace the outdated Soviet weapons. According to Defense 24, the main battle tank mentioned in this interview is most likely the K2 Black Panther, the most modern main battle tank being exported by South Korea. Meanwhile, the light fighter may be the Fa-50, which is also being sold by Seoul around the world. Poland can purchase 180 K2 Black Panther main battle tanks and up to 48 Fa-50 fighters. Many sources also confirm that the K9 self-propelled gun with a 155mm caliber is also being considered by Poland. Meanwhile, Defense News reported that the weapons package Poland ordered from South Korea in the near future could be worth up to $2.3 billion. If this contract is signed, it will be the largest arms export order that South Korea has ever received. Not to mention, Polish media also said that Warsaw will increase the number of imported tanks and aircraft in the near future to change blood of the entire heavy fighting force on the payroll. The Ukrainian Defense Journal said that Poland will double its defense budget in the coming years to replace its entire fleet of tanks, fighters, and self-propelled artillery, coming from the situation of Kiev when Russia carried out special military operation against Ukraine. Specifically, the use of our weapons, according to Soviet standards in the payroll, will make NATO countries and the US, even if they want to, can't provide weapons. In the case of Ukraine, due to the use of standard Soviet-style cannons with 152mm caliber, the country ran out of cells and had to urgently switch to use 155mm caliber guns, aided by the US and UK. Other weapons, such as tanks and fighter jets, will certainly not be in the best condition, without the aid of spare parts or standard ammunition. Poland, Ukraine, and many other countries in Eastern Europe, including a few NATO members, which were close allies of the Soviet Union in the past, still use a wide variety of weapons according to the Soviet standards. These weapons include main battle tanks, heavy howitzers, self-propelled artillery, etc. Most of these weapons are in good working condition, but in the event of a conflict, it could be difficult for NATO and the US to provide military aid.